Welcome to another Teamflect tutorial. Today we're going over reports. Here we are inside the Teamflect dashboard, and if you're an admin, you can click the Admin Center button on the bottom left. Once you're in the Admin Center, to access reports, all you have to do is click Reports on the left sidebar. This is the main reports dashboard. As you can see, Teamflect offers reports on all of its different modules, and all you have to do is click the category you want. Let's go into reviews, for example. On the left, we have all the data you might need, and on the right, we have all the filters you can use to navigate the data. You can filter your data according to date, review cycle, review template, review name, and everything else. You can even filter them according to department and location. Now let's take a look at some of the data on the left. We have average scores by department, by reviewer, or by reviewee, as well as score distributions. We even have all your 9-box grid results displayed on an actual 9-box grid. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, we have all the data we've collected from your reports module. And if you want to, you can export this raw data by clicking right here and selecting your desired layout. Once you do that, all you have to do is click Export. Now, let's scroll all the way up to the top of the page and go into the reports about a different module. As you can see, this is very easy to navigate. We have our categories on the top bar. Let's click Recognitions, and we're inside all the reports about the Recognitions module. And let's see just what kind of data we have here. We have the total scores right here, and right here, we have the interaction between departments, as well as the words most frequently used while giving recognition. And if we scroll down again, we have all the raw data about this module. Last but not least, let's go into the Goals module. As you can see, I have detailed information on all the different goals in my organization, under different categories such as goals by end date, goals by status, goals by types such as individual goals, self-development goals, company or department goals, as well as a general overview of the entire goals module. If I scroll down, I can see other categories such as goals by measurement type and durations, as well as goals by department and location. Now, all of these are fine and well, but what if you want some reports that aren't in the Admin Center? What if you want custom reports just for your organization? Let's go back to the dashboard. And if we zoom in right here, you can see that you can request custom reports by reaching us at this email account right here at reports@teamflect.com. Just let us know what type of reports you want, and we'll create it over Power BI and send it to you right away. But that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.
Teamflect. Build teams that deliver.